Hey everybody, good morning. It's Monday, it's 8:15. Don't adjust your dial. I do have a new face here on the camera. This is Shane Anderson with the Brookings home team, powered by Century 21. I've got Stacy Himley in here this morning. She is from Guaranteed Rate. It's a new company here that, well, not really new. I'll let her explain it. I'll mess it up. But she has graciously joined our rotation of lenders, and I appreciate that. So I think this is episode, I don't know, 38, 39. So welcome to that. It's a special episode here this morning.
All right.
So with that being said, I'll let Stacy take it over, and there you have it.
All right, very good. I told Shane I wasn't that prepared. I like to just ramble, so we'll keep on track though. Okay. How's that? He introduced me. I'm Stacy Himley. I have been in the mortgage lending industry for about, I think I'm starting my 23rd year, which ages us a little bit. But hey, been through a lot of changes throughout the industry, throughout the years. Just really excited for a new opportunity in Brookings and with Guaranteed Rate. And we're a correspondent lender, sell direct to Fannie, Freddie, Jenny, do all types of loans that every other place would, I guess. So a couple things I wanted to touch on today. First, we have a digital mortgage. It's a little different than a typical online application that you may have seen or heard of before. And the difference is when you do your application, it'll take you anywhere from 8 to 12 minutes. Depends on how quick you type, maybe, or how quickly you answer the questions. So it's intuitive, so it asks you certain questions along the way. Depending on how you answer, it will depend on what questions it asks next. So the difference is it takes you all the way from you answering your questions, it actually pulls credit, and it will get you all the way through to a pre-approval letter. So if they're shopping on the weekend, haven't gone to a lender yet, and are really excited to make an offer, they don't have to wait to make an appointment next week, or if it's an evening or weekend, they can actually save their pre-approval letter and issue it to you, their agent, or save it and issue it when they're ready to write an offer. But so that's what's a little different, is it goes all the way from actually putting your application in, goes all the way to the pre-approval letter. So I'm notified as soon as they start it. I'm notified as soon as it has decisioned. Some of them, if they're doing a special product, or maybe if they didn't fill something in quite right, I may have to tweak a thing or two. But yeah, so that's exciting that they can do that at their fingertips. It's when it's convenient for them. Okay. That's what people are into, convenience nowadays. So that's really exciting, and I love to share that. The other thing that I wanted to touch on real quick is a program that we have that's called Lock and Roll. So the biggest anxiety nowadays seems to be, what are rates going to do? It affects my purchasing power. How quick am I going to find a rate? Or excuse me, not a rate, they'll have their rate. Yeah. How quickly will they find a house? Because typically you can't lock until you have a property address, but we do allow for them to lock in their interest rate now while they're shopping, and so that will alleviate some of that anxiety along the way, as far as what's, what if it changes, or they just know. So that's exciting. Yeah, a little different, something different I haven't had in the past, so that's exciting.
I like the name, Lock and Roll.
That's right. So, and then you get them rolling, right?
Yes, you do.
Go find them a house.
Get them rolling. So,
yep.
All right, so there you have it. That's this morning's Monday morning mortgage tip. Thank you, Stacy, for joining us.
Yes,
appreciate
thank you for having me.
We'll get you in the rotation. I'll have all of our information on the top, on the bottom, on the sides, wherever your device will allow you to see it, so be on the lookout for that. Feel free to reach out to her with any questions that you have. She'll be ready to answer those for you here. So Guaranteed Rate, Stacy Himley. Next week, we are taking a break. I won't be in the office all week next week, so we will not be on next week, but we'll start back again the week after. But hope everybody has a great week. It's supposed to be a beautiful day, and hopefully
the sun is out.
It is out, and spring is here, I think.
Yes.
So that's good news. So thanks everybody for watching. We'll be in touch in 2 weeks.
Thank you.
Have a great one. See ya.